Hi, this is Fizzy Pro 3 channel. In today's video, we'll show you how to disable streamer mode on Discord. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go! If you ever uh so what is Discord streamer mode? So Discord streamer mode on Discord sounds a lot more complicated than it really is. Essentially, it's a kind of safety mode which protect privacy while streaming. If you're sharing your screen and you pull up Discord on Steam, your viewer won't be able to see certain personal information. And also, when you try to open like OBS or others software, your streamer mode will be automatically active. So what if you want to disable this feature? You don't want your streamer mode on Discord active automatically whenever you open OBS or others software. It's very simple. First of all, of course, you have to open our Discord. After that, you can go to user settings. You can just select on the user settings on the gear icon here. And from here, you can just scroll down. You can go to appearance. From appearance, there is an option streamer mode. You can just select on that and this one. If your streamer mode is active, you can just disable by tapping on the toggle in here. And if you don't want your streamer mode automatically enable when you open OBS or XSplit, when you're running OBS or XSplit, you can just disable this feature like this. It's very simple, right? And if you want to use the streamer mode, you can just enable this the feature manually from here. It's very simple, right? So that is how to disable streamer mode on Discord. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.